Welcome everyone. This is Claudette with MsPuff Creative Corner, and I want to share with you a couple items that I got from Stamping Up. So they had an online exclusive, so I wanted to get that. So in addition to that, I got some other pieces. So I love Stampin' Up products, but their shipping prices are getting a little steep. Not only that, but they take a minute to get to you. That's one thing I don't like about it. I like the products. I love the customer service. Yeah, but they have to work on that shipping process. Anyway, so a couple things that I got was these gems. These are fine sparkle adhesive back gems, and they come in two different sizes, 4 millimeters and 5 millimeters. And then they had new stuff that was on clearance. Awesome prices on the clearance. Those gems were on clearance. I wanted to try their blending brushes, so I got 2 packs, three in each pack. And then I got this large background stamp, and this is beautiful. It's a berry harvest stamp, and it's a red rubber stamp. So I went ahead and got that. I can't wait to work with that. And there's so many things that you could do with it. The images are big. I love the leaves, the big leaves, and the large looking berries. I created a video on creative ways to use large background stamps. I'll list that in the description box down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. And then this stamp right here was on clearance, and I got it mainly for the Christmas ornament. It's called Spruced Up. It's photo palmer. You get a set of 17 pieces, and they have some beautiful images in here to play with for the Christmas. And this was, like I said, on clearance. Really nice price. A lot of times you don't see they have stamps on clearance, so once they're on clearance, you go ahead and get it. So I'm overdue for getting a new chamois, and that's to clean my stamps. My old one is well loved, so I went ahead and invested in a new one. They also had the Snowfall Accents Puff Paint. That was on clearance for 75 cents, guys. I already have one bottle of Snow Puff, so I say 75 cents, you can't beat that. So I went ahead and got that. Then they had these gold holly leaves on clearance too as well. I got 3 of them, and they're made out of some sort of fabric, and they have like a gold foil in it, and it's just beautiful. It's nice and flat, and it's good for shipping because it's not raised. And you get 30 pieces in a pack, so I got 3 of those. Aren't those gorgeous? If you guys are new to my channel and you like what you see, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. Besides your holiday cards, these would be gorgeous on your gift tags. I went ahead and got this was one of the online exclusive adhesive back snowflakes assortment. They came in 3 different colors. It looks like gold, copper, and white, and 3 different sizes, which is in 10, 15, and 17 millimeters. I also needed some blades for my trimmer, so I got the 4-pack cutting blades. I also created a video on how to get the most out of your older blades before you toss them out. So I'll also list that in the description box down below. I couldn't pass up on this 4-pack of cuties. They are glitter washi tapes, and it's 5 yards, a 1/4 inch each. Beautiful. And they were on clearance too as well. Then I needed I was out of purple paper cardstock. So I got the gorgeous grape cardstock. And this one is 8.5 by 11. And these here you got 24 comes in that. And that's regular price. Then I got some more window sheets. I'm finding more creative ways to use the window sheets. So right now I am putting my craft room together. And the smallest stamp sets that I have that comes in like kits and whatnot, I am placing them in a binder. So I am attaching them to those window sheets and to keep them more organized and uniformed. Then they had these gorgeous designer series paper in Christmas print on clearance. There was like $1.50. You get 6 pieces, but they're not double-sided, it's single-sided. But the papers are very lightweight, but they're pretty. So you get a green, a gold, and a red. So they have some foiling in it too as well. So I got 3-pack of those for $1.50. You get 6 pieces, 12 by 12. Can't go wrong with that. So once you add these as a layer, the thinness of it is not going to matter. So I would definitely recommend combining these with cardstock, especially if you're going to create boxes. So these would be nice to add as layer pieces. So if you guys like what you see so far, go ahead and smash that like button down below. That would help me out tremendously here on YouTube. If you guys are interested in any of these products, you could hit me up in the comments down below. I'll try to leave the information too as well in the description box. Drum roll. So the two pieces that I was waiting for from their online exclusive was the Truckin' Along stamp set with its coordinating punch. Oh my gosh, I wanted this. I mean, this sold out right away if you didn't get in. It came to the public July 6th and it sold out pretty quick. They will be restocking again. I'm not sure if it's back in as yet. But this trucking die set is pretty cool. It's a photo palmer set of 26 pieces, and the coordinating builder punch can be used on its own. And from the clearance, I went ahead and grabbed the adhesive back seasonal sequence, which is in the red, gold, and green. So I could use those with my holiday colors. I don't think I have any sequence in those colors. The twinkling light dies, that was on clearance, and so they had new inventory in their clearance, so a lot of stuff is probably sold out too as well. But I like the twinkling light dies for the Christmas tree because it has a little cutout in a Christmas tree. So when you're creating your projects, like for instance your cards, you could add a glimmer paper to the back of a solid paper, and that glimmered paper would peek through. And I think that's a cute die set. Can't wait to play with that too as well. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette. I'll catch you guys on my next video.